Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explain the concept of blockchain to people in different age groups. We have a kid here with us, a teenager, and a girl who asked me not to tell her that she is going to turn 25. And that's why we have an empty chair here today. Let's see how this goes. So I have Dario here with me today, and Dario is 9 years old. Have you heard of blockchain?
No.
You have heard of Bitcoin?
Yes.
Okay, so blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin. Make sense? Let me tell you a story. You have seen Harry Potter movies?
Yes.
You know what is magic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so blockchain is like a magic book, and everybody has that book in the world. Okay, and this is not like Tom Riddle's diary. You know which book that is?
Yes.
Okay, so anything that is written in this magic book will not get deleted. So if you buy or sell anything, it will get automatically written in your book. And all over the world, everybody has that book. So if anything gets written in your book, it gets written in their book as well. So you are in India, you are in US, you are in Hogwarts, wherever you are, in everybody's book, it will appear that you bought or sold something. Now, do you like dinosaur toys or magic sword?
Magic sword.
Okay, so if you buy a magic sword, it will automatically get written in your blockchain book, magic book. So when you trace the transaction in that book, you will find out the original owner of that sword also. And so nobody can cheat you because your transaction gets written in your book. So somebody may come and change your book, but they will not be able to change all the books all over the world. Nobody can do that. So it will be very clear who is trying to cheat you. So do you get a basic understanding what is blockchain?
I understood. It's a magic technology which no one can cheat us when we are buying and selling, because everyone will know the information because everyone has the book.
Great. We have Pratiksha here with us today, and she is 16 years old. Hey Pratiksha, do you understand what is blockchain?
No, I don't know. That's why I'm sitting here.
Suppose you want to buy something from Amazon. Now Amazon has many sellers, right?
Yeah.
And you'll be buying something from Amazon, that seller will send you the good and you'll make the payment through UPI or some bank.
Yeah.
So Amazon will charge a cut, those banks will charge a cut. There are many middlemen who are taking small amounts in that transaction. But if you're using blockchain and if you want to buy or sell anything, you don't need middlemen. So blockchain allows you to trust the other person. So this is a technology that will allow you to buy and sell things without going through the middleman, and will save you money, right? And why is it called blockchain? Because it is like a block. So multiple blocks, each connected with a chain. Block, chain, block, chain, block, chain. And that all the data is kept inside the block. Simple. There's a chain of blocks. So in this blockchain, you cannot delete anything. You can go and add new data.
Yeah, so it's like permanent.
So for example, if you have to pay 50 rupees to a friend, that is recorded in the blockchain.
Yeah.
Now if you go and delete it, nobody will know, right?
Yeah.
And then you will not have to pay them. And that's a problem, right?
Yeah.
If you think about the world, anybody should not be able to go back and delete, right? And so you cannot go back and delete. You can only add new information. Make sense?
Yeah.
Of why do we need to do this? Because it will create a problem in the world, right?
Yeah.
You bought a train ticket and somebody went and deleted it.
Yeah.
Problem, correct?
Yeah.
So you cannot delete it. You can only add new information.
Okay. So where can I use it?
Good question. So we just discussed this, na? Amazon, Flipkart, all the middlemen we can remove with this blockchain. And so right now, most of the work is happening in the financial field. So cryptocurrencies, for example, if you have to send some funds to US and if you go through the bank will charge you a lot of money.
Yeah.
But if you can just send some Bitcoin, it will save a lot of fees to you. So most of the work right now is happening in the financial field. So in addition to this financial field, there are some fun, cool ways where you can use blockchain.
Okay.
VR, gaming, NFTs. You must have played some games, right?
Yeah.
Digital online games.
Yeah, of course.
So when you buy things in that game, for example, a new car, a new gun, so that remains inside that game, correct?
Yes.
That is a property of that gaming company. That's not your property, right? But when you use blockchain and NFTs inside that game, that new gun becomes your property. You can go and sell that and make real money with blockchain.
Okay.
So You got some basic understanding of what is blockchain?
Yeah, I understood.
We have Avnit here with us today, and she's almost 25. So Avnit, do you know what is blockchain?
It's a database of transaction.
Correct. And this database of transaction gets updated in real time across the network of computers. And it needs to be validated, cryptographically validated by the network of computers before the transaction gets added in the database. And the best part, there is no central authority to confirm the transaction.
So if there's no central authority and so many people are running the database, isn't it slow?
Good point. So speed is a real problem. And we'll discuss what is called blockchain trilemma. There are 3 problems that the blockchain people are trying to solve, and speed is the first one. So really, the speed of blockchain is slower compared to the centralized platforms. And scalability is also a real problem. It's difficult to ensure that the system is available when there are so many people all over the world using the same system. And third part, decentralization. It's difficult to ensure that the network is not controlled by a few people. So if you look at these problems, you will notice that the blockchains today cannot provide all 3. They need to sacrifice either scalability or security or decentralization. Actually, all the blockchains today are trying to figure out how to provide all of these 3 simultaneously. Have you used blockchain yourself? Have you used crypto wallets like MetaMask?
No.
And what do you think is the problem?
I guess lack of education, I don't know how to use it.
Education is a good point. This is a new sector and people actually don't know much about it. And blockchain is a new technology. It may seem complicated today, but this is definitely going to be there in our future. So yeah, it does make sense to educate ourselves about it. So Avnit, I hope you got a basic understanding of what is blockchain. Great. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know in the comment section what more topics would you like to see. Click the like button, hit subscribe and press the bell icon. Wrapping it up, this Paritosh signing off.
Please hit the like button and subscribe.